Hello, good day my friends and fellow collectors. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to share with you this Marvel zombie line. And the figure that I'm going to share with you is Zombie Red Hulk. But before we do the unboxing, let's take a quick look at the artwork of the box. The famous pop logo, Marvel Zombie, where the figure is based on. A 3D promo photo of the figure, Zombie Red Hulk. The other side, Pop Marvel, Zombie Red Hulk, 790 at the back. The other pop that are included in the series. The other side, the whole body of the pop. Red Hulk Zombie, top and the bottom. For a quick and fast unboxing, let's do the flip! Now, let's take a closer look at the figure. The reason why I bought this figure is 1. It's heavy. 2. I like the detail. And 3. It's on sale. I got this one at Bars. Now, let's take a closer look at the detail. I like the detail of the hair, guys. Look at the detail, the groove, so nice. Nicely done. The color, matte black, so nice. And I like the color of the skin, red, because it's Red Hulk. I like the detail. Look at the cut and the blood, green, so nice. Look at the teeth and the missing part of the cheek where you can see the teeth also. Then look at the yellow eyes. It's more like really like a zombie. So nice, guys. I like the detail. And by the way, guys, this is a Marvel. That's why it's bubble head. Look at the detail, guys. Look at the marks there. The cuts, nicely done. Love the detail. See, look at the cut. Oh, look at the cut, the hole there. It's so nice. Look at the muscle structure. It's also nice. So Hulk-like structure. Look at the Hulk pants. At the detail. So nice. Nicely done. It's a great addition to my collection. And I guess that's it, guys. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel so that you can get the latest unboxing. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please stay safe and God bless.